Okay, we're doing lesson 3 today. That's on division and sharing. You should have already watched the visual learning video in Pearson Realize. Okay, in that video we saw that division is the opposite of multiplying. In division, you have a total number and then you need to divide it or split it into different groups. So when you're multiplying, you're combining those groups to find a total. And dividing is the opposite. You have the total. We need to figure out how many is in each group. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's read the first one. 4 friends pick 20 apples. They want to share them equally. How many apples should each person get? Solve this problem any way you choose. Okay, it says drawing a picture that represents the problem can help you solve it. Show your work. So in the video, they did a bar diagram, and bar diagrams is one way that you can do it. You can also do it with drawing a picture like she said here. So I'm going to draw a picture so you can see it that way. So if I have 4 friends and they're sharing, I can draw a picture and I'm just going to draw a circle for each friend. Here are my 4 friends, like their faces here. Okay? And they're each going, they have 20 apples to split with between the 4 friends. So let's figure out how many they each get. If I have 20, I'm going to start counting and splitting them up. And I'm going to stop once I get to 20. I'm going to put 1 in each circle and keep going equally in order until I get to 20. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, I just split up 20 in 4 different groups. How many did they each get? They each get 4. That's our answer. Okay? Down at the bottom, can you use counters to help solve this problem? Explain. Yes, we can use counters. Counters, we can split them up. Now let's explain how we split up counters. So when we're using counters, we can put them into rows and columns. So we know we have 4 friends, so I'm going to draw 4 rows. Okay, and then I'm going to draw counters onto each row until it's split up. So same thing here. I'm going to draw a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you see how I'm putting 1 in each row and I keep going? I'm going to keep going until I get to number 20. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And so they each get 5 apples. And I realize right now that I'm writing this that I wrote the wrong number up on top. They didn't each get 4 apples, they each got 5 apples. I'm sorry, there were 4 friends, but they each got 5 apples. I apologize. Okay, and here we see it with counters. They each got 5 apples. Okay, let's move on to the back side. Here, like the video, they have the 12 monkeys, and they're splitting it into 3 equal groups. So we can see that they made 3 boxes on a bar diagram. And then they split them up, and they got 4 in each box of the bar diagram. So if you didn't have it as pictures, it could also be represented as numbers, 4, 4, and 4. Okay? And then when you write the division problem, it is 12. Your total goes first, 12. Divided, this is the division symbol, how you draw it. You do a dot and a line and then a dot below it. That means dividing. So here's your total. Divided by 3, which means you're going to make 3 equal groups. And your answer will be the number that each group gets. So each friend got 4 of those monkeys. Okay, so let's do this part. What would happen if 3 friends wanted to share 13 toys equally? So let's try this out. We have 3 friends, so we're going to put 3 boxes. And we're counting out 13 toys. So let's count. Let's divide them up. Let's just draw a tally mark in each box as we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Uh-oh. Is it even? It's not even because one person gets to have an extra. This one has 5, but these ones only have 4. So, is it equal? No. So, we're going to say it will not be equal. There are some numbers when you divide that it will not be equal. You're going to have an extra somewhere. And so that happens sometimes. Okay, moving on. We're going to do the odd numbers together, and then you're going to do the even numbers as your homework. 15 blocks are divided into 3 rows. How many blocks are in each row? Use the bar diagram to solve. So here they had 15. They're dividing it into 3 groups. So they made 3 boxes. We need to figure out how many would go in each box. So since there's question marks there, I'm going to redraw it on this side. Okay, now I can count it out. I need to count up to 15, and I'm giving 1 tally mark in each box until I get to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I can see that each box had 5. So there were 5 blocks in each group. Okay, number 3. 16 bananas are shared equally by 4 monkeys. How many bananas does each monkey get? I'll draw a picture here this time. We have 4 monkeys. Okay, let's split up the 16 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many does each group get? They each had 4. So 16 divided by 4 equals 4. Okay, 16 is your total that you started with. We divided it into 4 groups, so it equals 4 in each group. Okay, number 5. 24 sandwiches are divided equally into 6 bags. How many sandwiches are in each bag? I'll do an array this time. So let's draw, for the 6 bags, we're going to draw 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll draw one more up here. Now I have 6. Okay, I need to draw circles until I get to 24. I'm going to do 1 circle on each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, how many did each row get? 4. So 24 divided by 6 equals 4. Okay, number 7. 14 divided by 2. They're using a bar diagram. 14 is the total. We see 2 groups. We need to figure out how many goes inside each group. Now I'm going to draw it again on the side just so I have room to draw my tally marks. And let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And how many were in each box? 7. So 14 divided by 2 is 7. I could have even thought in my head, since there was 2 numbers, and I know they have to be the same, I could have thought, what double equals 14? 7 plus 7 is 14. Now that only works when you are dividing by 2. Then you can do it by doubles because it's the same number. Okay, number 9. 12 divided by 4. So I need 4 boxes this time. There I have my 4 boxes. 12 is on top. And then I need to figure out how many is in each box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We'll do it on this side. There we go. And in each box I see it's the number 3. So 12 divided by 4 equals 3. All right, back side. Dean is putting 16 pens into equal groups. He says if he puts them in 2 equal groups, he will have more pens in each group than if he puts them in 4 equal groups. Is he correct? Explain. Well, let's see. If I have 2 equal groups and I want to get 16, what double would equal 16? 8 plus 8. Okay, now if he wants to put them in 4 equal groups, does each number, is it going to be bigger or smaller? Each number is going to have to be smaller because I can't put 8 here. That would be more than 16. Okay, let's see how many it would be for 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. They each had 4. Okay, so which one was, what's the question here? Is Dean correct? He said that if he puts them in 2 equal groups, he'll have more than 4. So we're going to say yes. And why? Because there are less groups. There are less groups sharing. If you have less groups sharing, then you're going to get a bigger amount. Okay, number 13. Lily draws a rectangle. Sarah draws a pentagon. Who draws the shape with more sides? How many more sides does the shape have? Okay, so this is a review from the last unit. We know a rectangle is 4 sides. Pentagon is 5 sides. So that means Sarah drew more. Sarah's had more. And how much more was it? 5 minus 4 equals 1 more side. And number 15. Joan equally shares 30 groups with some friends. Is the number of grapes that each friend gets greater than 30 or less than 30? Let's think about this. If I have a total of 30 and I have to share with friends, are they going to get more or less than 30? They will get less because 30 is the total. If I'm splitting that up, each person will get less. So they'll say they will get less. Because 30 is the total. Each group will have a smaller number. Okay, number 17. Darren has 12 stickers shown at the right. He wants to put an equal number of stickers on each of 2 books. Draw circles in each box to represent the stickers Darren puts in each book. So here we are. We have 12 stickers. This is what they look like. He's dividing it onto 2 books. So we're going to draw circles. So let's just count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many stickers did each book get? 6. Each book will have 6 stickers. Okay, that's it with me. I will see your work later.